Basic tips tayo mga guys. So, paano tayo mag-conduct ng printer cleaning without using laptop or desktop computer? So, first, we need to turn on our printer. So, after niya mag-turn on, mag-initialize yung ating printer, kailangan nating i-press itong cancel button. 3 to 5 seconds para mag-conduct siya ng cleaning. So, pag mag-blink na yung power button niya, yung kulay green, so it means nag-conduct na siya ng self-cleaning. So, 3 to 5 minutes, matatapos na yung ating self-cleaning ng ating printer. So, hintayin lang natin at kakandak tayo ng test print. So, ganyan lang kadali. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa simple na basic